Welcome to the VH Video Recipe Book. In this short video we would like to show you how to make waffles on a stick or lolly waffles using a VH commercial waffle maker. Our recipe is based on the VH waffle on a stick dough mix and will make you 18 waffles on a stick. Preparation is very simple. Add 1 kilogram of VH waffle mix and 450 milliliters of water into a mixing bowl. Mix the ingredients for 2 minutes until you have a smooth consistency of the dough. Remove the dough into a jar or into a pastry bag. Heat the VH waffle maker to 180 degrees Celsius and set the timer to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Add the sticks to the waffle maker and pour the dough on the cast iron waffle grid. Some waffle bakers prefer to use pastry bags to add the dough to the grid. This system takes a little more time, but you will use less dough and you will have a cleaner baking process. After 2 minutes and 10 seconds, open the waffle maker and remove the waffles. You can also find a copy of this recipe on our website www.belgianwaffleironstore.com. Here you can purchase also our commercial waffle makers and dough mix products. Enjoy your freshly baked waffles on a stick or lolly waffles.